Today I'm gonna install this custom catback exhaust on the BMW X6M, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave your comments in the section box below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Now in today's video, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, I will be installing this custom catback exhaust that I purchased from the one and only Alibaba on the BMW X6M. This exhaust, it cost around, I would say, $1,300 to $1,400, shipping and handling included, to ship here from China to the United States of America. I can't wait to put on this exhaust because I saw somebody else install this exhaust, but he had a X6M. His name is Straight Motion, and that's where I decided to go ahead and try this exhaust system on my X6M. On his car, it did sound amazing when he had the X5. So now, I mean, it's the same engine, so I know definitely it will sound good on my car. So I'm gonna head to M Life Auto Care up in Valley Stream and have them install this for me. When I get there, I'm gonna open the box. I can't open the box right now because, as you guys can see, it's a big box and it's heavy, and I'm gonna show you what the exhaust look like. All right, so stay tuned for that. See you in a few. So I just got to the shop. The car is currently on the lift. It's about to go up in the air. This is the box for the exhaust. So once you put the car up in the air, we're gonna open the box. We're gonna lay it on the floor to make sure we have all the parts for the exhaust. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock exhaust, and then we're gonna install the new exhaust. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the packaging for the exhaust. They really did package this neat. They did a good job, right? The packaging, right? Yo, these Chinese people, they be doing their thing on the packaging. As you guys can see, and these are the tips. And these are 4-inch tips. Hopefully they should fit because these are 4-inch too, so yeah, they should fit. But I must say the packaging is legit. And this is the valve. This is the box for the valve. Open and close. I'm not going to use this one because I already have one in the car. So I'm going to just use the one that's already on the car. So this is going to be like an extra box. Alright, so he's going to come and lay everything on the floor just to make sure we have all the parts for the installation. And when you finish doing that, I'm gonna come back and show you. Alright, so stay tuned. This is all the components for the exhaust on the ground. We have the muffler with the valves. I decided to go the pneumatic way because I already have a pneumatic system set up before, like this one. So it's much easier for me to keep it. That's why I didn't went the electric route. I already have a pneumatic system set up already. So just change it over and that's it. And I also make sure I got an X pipe too as well. It's the X pipe. So this X pipe is gonna get rid of all the raspiness. Just like this X pipe right here. Alright, so yeah, the build quality, I must say, the build quality is good. I'm not gonna hold you. I can't wait to see how this is gonna sound on the car. Alright guys, so tell me what you think. So they're gonna go ahead and take down the stock exhaust and we're gonna get this exhaust installed. Alright, so stay tuned. The exhaust is about to come down, as you guys can see. Just a couple bolts that was holding it up and these rubber grommets. So now he's working it off the downpipe. Alright, so yeah. Okay, here we go. It's about to come down. Okay, one side is out. Okay, there you go. Alright, so the stock exhaust is out. So out with the old and in with the new. Alright, so the aftermarket exhaust is going up. Right now they're installing the muffler. Alright, so I'm not going to show you the whole installation because that's going to take up too much time. So when everything is done, I'm going to come back and show you what the exhaust look like fully installed. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So the exhaust is finally on. Everything is buttoned up, tightened down. I must say the exhaust, the fitment is, I'll probably say like about 85%. So it's not great, but it's good. The only problem that I'm having with the fitment is the exhaust tips. These parts, it doesn't line up properly with the back. So what I might have to do, I might have to go to a welding shop to have them either bend this outwards or make piping so it will line up with the exit hole. Yeah, so that's the only problem that I'm having. But apart from that, everything is good. Let me show you. Alright, see, everything is good. I made sure I got the X pipe too as well to get rid of that rasp. He's currently doing an oil change. The oil is not bad. Yeah, but I'm currently getting an oil change done. But like I said guys, the exhaust is good. For $1,000, that's not bad, you know. Other vendors locally for this exhaust, you'll probably pay almost $3,000. And I'm not spending that much money. It's not that serious. So this setup's supposed to sound a whole lot better comparing to the setup that I had before. Alright, so after he finishes the oil change, we're gonna lower the car. We're gonna give some before and after I install this exhaust. Alright, so stay tuned for the exhaust sound. better. Yo, that shit sounds better. Yo, this is the one right here. I'm not gonna hold you. Yo, this is the damn. Yo, this is the exhaust, bro. Yo, this one sounds mad. And that's valve open. So this is valve closed. That's valve closed. See, still quiet. Valve closed, valve open. Yeah, that shit sounds, that shit sounds good. All right, guys, so he's gonna do some drive-by just to hear how the exhaust sound. Yo, this shit sound good. All right, so he's gonna go all the way down and come back around. Hey guys, here he comes. Guys, oh my God, I'm gonna have a field day with this car. Yo, this shit sound good. Come again? Come again? Woo. Yes, God, this is the exhaust right here. All right, guys. Yo! That's how you were supposed to drive it, bro.
Honestly, it's not that. It's just I didn't want them to come outside and I get yelled at.
Oh, okay.
So that's how I happened last time.
You hear the intake?
Yeah.
Yo.
Last time I drove somebody car and I sent it sideways.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about this new exhaust setup and how it sounds. Leave your comment in the section box below.